Hey, reading nerds. Welcome back to more design inspiration. I am James, and today we are exploring the interesting world of bedroom lighting. Say goodbye to the bright overhead lamp and transform your sleep heaven into a dreamy paradise. We will be looking at lighting ideas that are both practical and fantastic. So get your notebooks ready for some inspiration. Soap ceiling pendant lights. First up, we have soap ceiling pendant lights. These lights can add a warm and cozy feel to your bedroom. They hang from the ceiling and provide a soft glow, perfect for creating a relaxing environment. Stylish table lamps. Next, let's talk about fashionable table lamps. These lights do more than just provide light. They also serve as beautiful decorations. Picking the perfect table lamp can greatly improve the overall atmosphere of your bedroom, adding a sense of elegance and charm. With their special designs and cozy light, these lamps are not just for lighting, they are captivating additions that make your sleeping space look even more attractive. Fairy lights for dreamy nights. For a dreamy night, nothing beats the charm of fairy lights. They can make your bedroom feel like a magical place. Tiny twinkling light can give a magical feel and be hung around your bed or on the walls. Chandeliers for a grand bedroom. If you want to make your bedroom feel more special, think about choosing chandeliers. These beautiful lights not only show luxury but also can make your bedroom look fancier. Having chandelier can give you a royal feel, making a standout feature that shows richness and improves how your bedroom looks. Underbed illumination with LED strips. Underbed illumination with LED strips can give your bedroom a modern and futuristic look. This unique lighting idea not only looks cool, but also adds a soft glow to your room. He says ceiling lights. Lights in the ceiling that are set back can make your bedroom look neat and stylish. These lights are put into the ceiling, blending in smoothly and giving a lot of light. The good thing about these ceiling lights is that they light up the room well without sticking out, maintaining a neat and understated appearance. String lights draped over bed. Finally, putting string lights over your bed doesn't just make it warm and close, but also gives the feeling of having your own starry sky in your bedroom. This simple addition changes the atmosphere, making your space feel warm, welcoming, and magically lit by the soft glow of these lights, like a peaceful and magical night beneath the stars. That's all for today, folks. We hope these ideas inspire you to light up your bedroom in new and exciting ways. Don't forget to visit our website drillingnerd.com for more such ideas. Until next time, keep shining.